Good morning and welcome back to another episode of One Sober to Another. I'm Wayne, and today we're going to talk about removing the obsession to drink. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what it means to get a higher power and have that power take the obsession away from you. Before we get started, remember to subscribe, drop a comment below, hit that like button if you want to. Here we go. This is the daily reflection. I use this every day. It's from Alcoholics Anonymous. You don't have to be an AA'er in order to use it. The messages are the same. I'm going to read the one for today, June 24th. A spiritual kindergarten. We are only operating a spiritual kindergarten in which people are enabled to get over drinking and find that the grace to go on living to a better effect. What does that mean? We're going to find out. As Bill sees it, page 95. When I came to AA, I was run down by the bottle and I wanted to lose the obsession to drink. But I didn't really know how to do that. I decided to stick around long enough to find out from the ones who came before me. All of a sudden, I was thinking about God. That might throw you off, and let's just keep reading. I was told to get a higher power, and I had no idea what one looked like. I was told to find God as I understand Him. That there was no doctrine of the Godhead, of exactly God, in AA. I found what worked for me, and then asked the power to restore me to sanity. The obsession to drink was removed. And one day at a time, my life went on, and I learned how to live sober. So what does that all mean? If you know exactly what I'm talking about, drop a comment below so the people that read your comment can get a grasp on what it is to have a higher power. For me, when I went to Alcoholics Anonymous, my higher power was actually the coffee table in the room. I wasn't really a God factor. I wasn't real religious, so I had to look for something that would serve my purpose. And it was simple. I just put my faith into that coffee table, sounds as funny as it is, and I asked for the obsession to drink to be removed. Now, I had drank for 23 years. That's a long time to be drinking and to be just wrapped around the insanity of what was at the bottom of each bottle that I took. I couldn't remove it on my own. I couldn't stop on my own. I tried many times. I tried counselors. I tried therapy. I tried all sorts of methods that didn't work anymore. I had to find something else outside of me to help. So I reached for that coffee table and I would ground myself on it. And that became my higher power. As I watched the people around me, they were happy and they had a lot of things to be excited about. And I was wondering, why can't I be that happy? I was ego-driven. I was angry a lot because I was working against everything around me. And I'm sure you can relate to this if you're an alcoholic and if you're an addict of any sort, how you obsess over things. What I found in Alcoholics Anonymous was believing in a higher power is not so much having to believe in the traditional God as we understand. You have the option to think about God how you understand it to be. It could be just a faith, not so much within the church, but in community. It could be a faith in the nature of things. You could put your higher power into anything you want. I asked for my coffee table to remove the insanity of my alcoholism. And that's exactly what happened. And I was excited because I started to experience the things that the people around me were experiencing. And I couldn't have been more grateful. Removing the obsession to drink is something that is a miraculous thing because your mind is no longer occupied with planning your day around your drink or when is your next moment to get drunk again. You don't have to be concerned with these things anymore. You can think about bigger things in your life. You can actually start to thrive, just like the people around you, just like the people around me in AA. I was excited to be like them. The daily reflections of Alcoholics Anonymous runs all the way 365 days a year. You can find something in every message, regardless if you believe in God or you don't, as long as you have a higher power. So, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and take a moment, hit that subscribe button. We're going to keep this train rolling. If you need help, there are numbers in the description below. The link to the daily reflections will also be in the description below, as well as using TubeBuddy and things like that. TubeBuddy is a tool that will help you to analyze your YouTube channel a little bit better. Mine is not doing so great. I understand it, but I need an audience, and you're a sober audience. And if you're not sober, hopefully you're able to take away from some of the things here. Yeah, I got to go to work, so we're going to end this right now. I look forward to seeing all of you happy, sober, joyful, and with the obsession to drink removed in the next video. I'm Wayne, and have a great day.